Imagine you're in Egypt. What do you see? Do you see pyramids, mummies, tombs, gold? A lot of amazing things came from Egypt. My family is one of them. But the most awesome thing to come from Egypt is paper. If you want to learn more about how books are made, keep watching and listen to my research findings. My name is Maria, and this is my video report on books. Before we had paper, people wrote on clay tablets. The problems with clay tablets were they were hard to write on. We had to wait until they were dry. They would break easily and they were heavy. Egyptians made paper out of papyrus plants. They flattened the stems with hammers to make paper. The paper made from papyrus was much lighter than clay tablets, but it was brittle. The ancient Chinese were also one of the first people to make paper. It was similar to the kind we use today. They boiled plants to make pulp, and then they dried it flat to make paper. This paper is flexible, like me, so they could fold it. The next important invention for books was the printing press. Before the printing press, every book was written by hand. It took a long time to make, so they were expensive. The printing press was like a stamp. So books became less expensive because they were easier to make. A lot of people helped to make a book. I know you know about the author and illustrator, but there's also other people that help make books. Editors, publishers, designers, copy editors, proofreaders, production directors, printers, publicists, and more. Paper was invented in Egypt and China, but now the whole world uses paper to make books, art, posters, and a lot of other things. Next time you read, think about all of the people who made your book.